Seasonal greetings everyone. Today we're going to be making some Jamaican fruit cake, aka rum cake. So let's get right into it. So here we have 2 sticks of butter, room temp. Then we're going to go in with 2 cups of sugar. And then we're going to mix until smooth. And we start on the lowest one and then gradually go to the high. And now we have some eggs here. We have 4 eggs, medium size at room temperature, and we're going to be adding those gradually. Then you repeat the process and add the eggs one by one. Now that we finish adding our eggs, we are gonna go in and we're gonna add some lemon zest, also some orange zest. So we have about 1 tablespoon of lemon zest and orange zest, so we're gonna add that to our mixture as well. Now we're gonna go in with some almond flavor, so we're adding 1 teaspoon of almond flavor, not too much guys because this is very strong and it is also optional. Then we're gonna go in with our vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Then we're gonna whisk that, we're gonna mix that together, combine everything that we just added to our mixture. Then now that that is finished, we're gonna scrape off the edge. Mix around everything. Here I get my wooden spoon. Now we're going in with 2 cups of mixed fruits. So guys, these fruits has been soaking from last year, and if you don't have any time to soak your fruits, you can just stew them and just go ahead and do your thing. So now we're gonna mix this in. Add the remaining of the fruits. Mix. Now we're gonna go in with our browning. So I'm using 2 tablespoons, but guys, just add it to the way how you like your fruit cake. So this one that I'm making, the person does not like it too dark, so that's the reason why. So as you see, we're adding more browning because this browning, for some reasons, the brownings that we have here in Canada, they're not as strong as the ones that we have in Jamaica. So we have to go ahead and add more to get it to that color that you would like. So now that this is finished, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna add some of my wine. So I had a half cup of this fruit wine, and this fruit wine is awesome guys, awesome. So because I cannot get the red label wine here, that's the reason why I use that fruit wine. So here we're going with our rum, Jamaican white rum. Yes, straight from out the yard we carry that one from. So we just choose some of that in, excuse my patois, and we're gonna make sure we mix everything in. So we're gonna set that aside and we're gonna go in with our dry ingredients. So here we have our flour, and now we're gonna be adding our baking powder and our salt. Here we also have 1 teaspoon nutmeg, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, and half teaspoon mixed spice. Now we're gonna go and we're gonna mix everything together. Make sure we combine every single thing together. Then we put that aside and we draw back for our wet ingredients. So we're gonna add our flour gradually and then we mix. The smell of this fruit cake is amazing. Then we add the rest of our flour. And then we mix that in. So guys, this is a quick and easy fruit cake recipe. So this is Jamaican original fruit cake, yeah, aka rum cake. Can't do without this on our table when it's Christmas time. So guys, as you see there, we're gonna add a more wine to this and some more rum. We're just making sure that we mix out the flour. So this wine that I'm using, I'm using half cup of the royal red wine, and this is a dry wine. So we're gonna go in and we're gonna mix again. And look at that, guys. Look at that. So once your spoon can stand in the center of your mixture, you are ready to go. So now we have our baking pan. So this is already butter and lined with our parchment paper. Our stove is already preheated at 350. So we're adding some of this mixture to the pan. And there we have it. We're just gonna make sure we center everything and get rid of the bubbles that are inside of this cake. So now at the remaining of the mixture, I am just gonna add it to this baking. Then here we already grease and have ready to go. So guys, we do hope you enjoy this video, and season greetings to each and every one of you guys, and I hope you guys have a productive and a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes, and enjoy your time with your family. So now that we finished with this, we're gonna set it for a little bit, leave them to set for a little bit before we put them in the oven. And guys, we also add some water. We put water in the oven when we're baking. So we bake this for an hour and voila. Look at this. So now we're going in, we're spraying this with some of our wine. I have red wine and rum in this bottle. So we're making sure we wet the top with our rum, and here it's already cool. So we're gonna show you guys what we're working with. Yeah, Jamaican fruit cake. So we sliced that, guys, and this is the finishing. So thank you guys so much for tuning in to Pal's Island Kitchen, wherever you're watching from. If it's morning, night, or afternoon. Thank you for watching my video. Live good, love God, and I'll see you next time in Pal's Island Kitchen.